Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to shake up your breakfast routine with some seriously tasty and healthy options, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of the Mediterranean diet with 5 amazing breakfast recipes. We've got everything from the savory shakshuka to the sweet and nutritious fruit and nut couscous, and we can't wait to show you how to whip these up. Stick around to discover new flavors that will transform your mornings and keep you energized throughout the day. Let's get cooking. Here are the 5 Mediterranean diet breakfast recipes. Shakshuka is a popular dish from North Africa and the Middle East that consists of eggs poached in a spicy sauce made from tomatoes and peppers. It's seasoned with flavorful spices like cumin and paprika, giving it a distinctive warm and spicy taste. Commonly enjoyed for breakfast, shakshuka can also be a comforting meal at any time of the day. This dish combines simple, wholesome ingredients into a delicious and colorful meal that's both filling and nutritious. Chickpea pancakes are savory and nutritious pancakes made from chickpea flour mixed with water and a blend of spices. They are cooked until golden brown and often served with a side of delicious roasted vegetables. These pancakes are a great alternative to traditional pancakes, offering a protein-rich meal that's both filling and flavorful. They are perfect for anyone looking for a hearty breakfast or a satisfying meal that packs a punch with every bite. Olive and herb focaccia is a homemade Italian bread that's soft, fluffy, and full of flavor. It's baked with olives, rosemary, and thyme, which give it a savory and aromatic taste. This bread is often served with a side of cottage cheese or Greek yogurt, making it a delicious and satisfying option for any meal. Whether you enjoy it as part of a breakfast, as a snack, or alongside a main dish, olive and herb focaccia brings a touch of Mediterranean flair to your table. Fruit and nut couscous is a sweet and nutritious dish made with whole wheat couscous, which is combined with chopped dried fruits and nuts. This dish is lightly moistened with almond milk and flavored with a hint of cinnamon and honey, creating a delightful blend of textures and tastes. It's a versatile meal that can be enjoyed as a hearty breakfast, a refreshing snack, or even a light dessert. Packed with healthy ingredients, fruit and nut couscous is a delicious way to add variety to your diet while enjoying natural sweetness and crunch. Tomato and cucumber salad with za'atar is a refreshing dish that combines juicy chopped tomatoes and crisp cucumbers tossed in olive oil and lemon juice. It's seasoned with za'atar, a Middle Eastern spice mix that adds a unique and tangy flavor. This salad is often served with whole grain pita bread, making it a light yet satisfying meal. Perfect for a hot day or as a healthy side, this salad offers a delicious way to enjoy fresh vegetables with a flavorful twist. Let's get started. This shakshuka recipe is a versatile and flavorful dish that's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even a light dinner. Enjoy the rich and spicy flavors of this North African and Middle Eastern favorite. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 large onion finely chopped, 1 red bell pepper chopped, 3 garlic cloves minced, 2 teaspoons paprika, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1/4 teaspoon chili powder, optional for extra heat, 1 can, 28 ounces, whole plum tomatoes, 6 large eggs, salt and pepper to taste, fresh cilantro or parsley, chopped, for garnish. Instructions: heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and bell pepper, sautéing until they start to soften, about 5 minutes. Stir in the minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Add the paprika, cumin, and chili powder, if using, to the skillet, stirring to coat the vegetables and the spices. Pour in the can of plum tomatoes, including the juice. Use a spoon or spatula to break up the tomatoes into smaller pieces. Season the sauce with salt and pepper, then let it simmer for about 10-15 minutes, or until it thickens slightly. With the sauce simmering, make small wells in the mixture and crack an egg into each well. Cover the skillet with a lid or aluminum foil and cook over low heat until the egg whites are set, but the yolks are still runny, about 5-10 minutes. Adjust the cooking time according to how firm you prefer your eggs. Once the eggs are cooked to your liking, remove the skillet from heat. Sprinkle chopped cilantro or parsley over the top for garnish. Serve the shakshuka hot, directly from the skillet, with crusty bread or pita on the side for dipping. Enjoy! Enjoy your Mediterranean-style chickpea pancakes with roasted vegetables for a nutritious and satisfying meal. Ingredients: 1 cup chickpea flour, also known as gram flour, 1 cup water, 1 teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon ground cumin, ½ teaspoon paprika, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoons olive oil, plus more for cooking. Instructions: in a large bowl, whisk together the chickpea flour, water, salt, cumin, paprika, black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil until smooth. Let the batter sit for 30 minutes to allow the flour to absorb the water and thicken slightly. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees F, 200 degrees C. Cut the vegetables into bite-sized pieces and toss them with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. Spread the vegetables on a baking sheet in a single layer and roast for 20-25 minutes, or until tender and slightly charred. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat and brush with a little olive oil. Pour a ladleful of batter into the pan, tilting it to spread the batter into a thin layer. Cook for 2-3 minutes on each side or until the pancakes are golden brown and the edges start to lift from the pan. Repeat with the remaining batter, adding more oil to the pan as needed. Serve the chickpea pancakes with the roasted vegetables on the side. Garnish with fresh herbs before serving. Enjoy! Enjoy your homemade olive and herb focaccia with a side of creamy cottage cheese or tangy Greek yogurt for a delightful Mediterranean-inspired meal. Ingredients: 500 grams, about 4 cups, all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons instant yeast, 2 tablespoons olive oil, plus extra for drizzling. 300 ml, about 1 1/4 cups, warm water, ½ cup black or green olives, pitted and halved, 2 tablespoons fresh rosemary, chopped, 1 tablespoon fresh thyme leaves, coarse sea salt for sprinkling. Instructions: in a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, salt, and instant yeast. Add the olive oil and warm water and mix until a sticky dough forms. Knead the dough on a floured surface for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover with a damp cloth, and let it rise in a warm place for 1-2 hours, or until doubled in size. After the dough has risen, gently press it down and transfer it to a greased baking sheet. Stretch the dough into a rough rectangle or oval shape, about 1-2 inch thick. Press your fingers into the dough to create dimples. Drizzle with olive oil, ensuring it pools in the dimples. Sprinkle the halved olives, rosemary, and thyme evenly over the top. Let it rest for another 20 minutes. Preheat your oven to 220 degrees C, 430 degrees F. Just before baking, sprinkle coarse sea salt over the focaccia. Bake for 20-25 minutes or until golden brown on top and bottom. Remove the focaccia from the oven and let it cool slightly on a wire rack. Slice and serve warm with a side of cottage cheese or Greek yogurt. Enjoy! This fruit and nut couscous is a versatile dish that can be enjoyed as a hearty breakfast, a sweet snack, or a light dessert. The combination of whole grains, dried fruits, nuts, and sweet spices makes for a nutritious and satisfying treat. Ingredients: 1 cup whole wheat couscous, 1 1/2 cups boiling water, ½ cup mixed dried fruits, such as apricots, raisins, and cranberries, chopped, ½ cup almonds, chopped or sliced, ½ cup almond milk, warm, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 2 tablespoons honey or to taste, a pinch of salt. Instructions: in a large bowl, add the whole wheat couscous and a pinch of salt. Pour the boiling water over the couscous, cover the bowl with a lid or a clean towel, and let it sit for 5-10 minutes until the water is absorbed and the couscous is tender. With a fork, fluff the couscous to separate the grains. Stir in the ground cinnamon and then mix in the chopped dried fruits and almonds. Drizzle the warm almond milk and honey over the couscous mixture. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. Adjust the sweetness by adding more honey if desired. Serve the couscous warm or at room temperature. If serving cold, you can chill the couscous in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before serving. This tomato and cucumber salad with za'atar is a light, flavorful dish perfect for a summer meal or as a side to grilled meats and fish. Enjoy the fresh, tangy flavors of this Mediterranean-inspired salad. Ingredients: 3 large ripe tomatoes, chopped, 1 large cucumber, chopped, 1 small red onion, thinly sliced, optional, 2 tablespoons olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, 2 teaspoons Za'atar seasoning, fresh parsley or mint, chopped, for garnish, whole grain pita bread for serving. Instructions: in a large bowl, combine the chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, and sliced red onion if using. Drizzle the olive oil and lemon juice over the vegetables. Sprinkle the za'atar seasoning, salt, and pepper on top. Toss everything together until the vegetables are evenly coated with the dressing and seasoning. Garnish the salad with freshly chopped parsley or mint, and serve immediately with slices of whole grain pita bread on the side. Enjoy! Thanks for watching our journey through these flavorful Mediterranean diet breakfast recipes. We hope you're inspired to try out shakshuka, chickpea pancakes, olive and herb focaccia, fruit and nut couscous, and tomato and cucumber salad with za'atar to spice up your morning routine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming delicious adventures. Drop a comment below to let us know which recipe you're most excited to try, or share your own favorite Mediterranean breakfast ideas. Eat well and live vibrantly. See you in the next video.